Hi. Today I am going to teach you how to make vanilla cookies. We need unsalted butter 250 gram, icing sugar 125 gram, vanilla essence 5 gram, 2 egg whites, flour 325 grams and pinch of salt. In the bowl of an electric stand mixer fitted with the paddle attachment, cream together butter, icing sugar and salt until combined. Mix in egg white and vanilla. Add flour and mix until crumbly, then continue to mix for a pipe-able consistency. Preheat your oven to 180 Celsius. Baking tray with grease-proof paper set aside. Transfer to a piping bag fitted with a large open star nozzle. Pipe dough into rounds onto 2 ungreased baking sheets. Bake 1 sheet at a time in preheated oven until golden brown on bottom, about 1 to 15 minutes. Let cool on baking sheet 5 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. Store in an airtight container. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon with next video.